How to refer friend on Doordash. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can refer your friend on Doordash. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Doordash app. And then once you're in your Doordash app, here you have to tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then here you will see refer friends, get $1, so you have to tap on it. And now here it says get $1 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their first order over $20. Your friend also get $5 off each of their first orders. So this is your referral link. So to copy your referral link, you have to tap on it. Then if you want, you can directly share through Instagram, Facebook and other this app. If you want to copy your link, tap on any notes app. Then here is your link, this bottom one, and then you can copy this link and send it to your friend. And once your friend taps on the link or open that link, they will be taken to this page. And then when they tap on sign up and sign up, you will get $1 in credits. And when they places their first order over $20, so the more people signs up using your referral link, the more dollar credits you will get. And so I have my referral link in the description. If you want to use, you can sign up through my referral link and you will get for $20. If you place an order over 20, you will get $5 off your first order. And so this is how you can refer your friends or anyone on Doordash. Thanks for watching.